The fact is that when we really learn how to be more present with ourselves, we connect with who we are. And who are we? We are love, we are happiness, and we are free. This is the basic character of who we are. I don't believe in the idea that we were born wrong or bad or sinful. I think this is an ideology that's mixed up themselves with truth. That the truth is inside of us already. So as I become more present, I connect with that joy. I mean, I hear people say that what causes happiness, what causes love? Well, nothing causes these things because this is who we are. A better question to ask is what causes suffering, what causes pain, what causes unlove, what causes slavery, because these are caused. So if you go looking for a teacher to find how to be happy, all they can do is teach you artificially. But after the dust settles and you come back to business as usual, that initial inspiration of some technique or some ideology goes. It becomes ordinary very quickly. And so we have to now go and find another teacher or another system to learn how to be happy. What I've discovered is that when you do nothing but simply are present with whatever is the truth of your moment, you come into that beauty of who we are, that incredibleness of who we are. And you don't have to believe in anything. You don't have to do a technique. You don't have to follow an ideology. I mean, Christ said it himself, the kingdom of heaven is within. And it's not without. What's out there is a reproduction of what's inside of me. Love, joy, and freedom is truly here now. Not next week, not next lifetime, not last week. It's here because that's the only reality that exists. 5 minutes from now does not exist except in my expectation. And 5 minutes ago does not exist except in my memory. The only reality on this planet is what is here and now happening. That's how I define reality.